Do a bike check. Colt bar rims, Colt Vans grips, Sunday tall T-bars, Sunday freeze top load stem, stolen Cyclone forks, stolen Revolver front wheel, stolen Tioga FS 100 front tire in 2.25, same tire in the back in 2.10, I think, yeah, 2.10. Odyssey headset, stolen Revolver bottom bracket. We got the fit indent 19mm cranks, brand new, just got them. Twisted PC pedals, Primo seat, stolen Thermalite post, and then the frame. My frame's a stolen Heist 2011 frame, 20.75, and it's held up, no problem. That was my bike check.